Hi, my name is Joseph Lee. I'm 36 years old. I got into a accident, a motor vehicle accident where my leg was severely burned. And for a year and a half, even with treatment, nothing was working for healing. And I was running into I was having a lot of pain and having trouble sleeping at night. So the final solution was to have a skin graft done, and they were going to cut skin off of my back to put onto my leg to cover it so it would heal. But upon hearing that, I started taking TeloYouth, and miraculously my leg is healing so much faster that I no
Wow.
longer have to have the surgery.
So it's been how long?
It's been only almost 2 months, almost 2 months now.
Wow.
And for a year and a half, there was no progress. And now 2 months now, I don't even have to have the surgery, and I'm almost completely healed. So I was on level 1 for a month and a half, and I just recently started on level 2, and the progression is happening really well. When I used to try to go to sleep at night, because of the pain, I would twitch. My nerves would shock throughout my body, and TeloYouth also fixed that part as well. So now I can sleep throughout the whole night. I used to only get 2 hours of sleep, now I get 10 hours.